Hello, everybody, and everybody on YouTube. Oh, well, why am I showing y'all this truck here? I'm going to tell you why. I'm about to get one this night. I'm hoping this week. I'm not going to tell you how I'm going to get it, but when I did this here, the day I come and get it and drive it home, put it in my yard in my driveway. That way I don't know and tell you what little or wet to the sprinkle. That went on the was it is in the sprinkle family, but the guy is who owns the truck who gave me the other one, this 70 the guy. Yes, he got one just like it on his but he ain't used them. And his son Isaac told him how about give it up to Bobby. Well, they came over here this week, and I'm not no built all my homes in it to give this week. The truck have been on this property. Haven't been Joe almost a year now. Over a year. I may be in parked down there. Anyway, I'm hoping that this week I will get it home. And yes, it is this like this one here. Same color. The only thing different is I think this here is a number 4. The one I'm giving is a 98. Don't have the wheels on, and I don't think it got this black part on it. I don't remember it. It does not, but I'm gonna give it here, give bits, and start driving it on my own time. I'm not gonna be nowhere about. Both trucks will have home. Okay, until I know for sure the truck will be here. My uncle said it isn't gonna be this week. And it might be this week. Normally, number 9 14, my uncle go to on this. Well, y'all have a massive week. If I don't see you anymore, Merry Christmas. Y'all have a Merry Christmas. We y'all out here. Later.